everyone, today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful green smoky eye. So the first thing I like to do is apply a facial oil all over to prep my skin. This can be used for primer as well. So next what I do is I apply foundation all over with a blending brush, and then I also pat it in and smooth it out with a blender. Apply foundation lightly at first, and then build up and just add a little extra coverage to those spots that you feel like you want to cover more. I like to use my blenders a little damp because you'll notice that they're softer and it just blends the makeup in better. So concealer should be applied in the inner portions of your face, not only your under eyes, but anywhere that you want more highlight, such as your forehead, nose, chin, upper lip. If you have a larger forehead, then you want to make sure your highlighted area is smaller. Once you've applied concealer, blend it all in. So set the highlighted areas where you applied concealer with a lighter colored setting powder. And then I use a deeper color setting powder on the outer edges of my face to add warmth and dimension. So now it's time to contour and chisel out my features. I like to use the dark color in this contour kit for this step. So my contour is on now, and I'm going to blend it in more with the second color in the kit. Deepen your nose contour with a darker color here. Adding this highlighted color to the tip of your nose and to the middle will make it appear sharper and more defined. Alright, it's time for the eyebrows. So I like to keep my eyebrows really natural. I just use powders and lightly brush it on, and then I end with an eyebrow gel just to keep them in place. Dip Brow Gel will hold my eyebrows in place and also puts color on them. So with blush, I like to apply a darker color right above the contour first. And then I apply a lighter color just on the apples of the cheeks so it blends really nicely together. So I like neutral eye primers just to even out the eyelid, and then all the eyeshadows look really pretty and blended. The key to beautiful eyeshadow application is to apply a transition color first. Apply the dark brown color next, just on the outer corners of your eyes, and then bring it down. So here I'm applying the lighter green color in the inner crease of the eye with a blending brush. So adding depth is key to really pretty eyeshadow application. So I'm applying the dark green right above the lid here. So next, press and slide that dark shimmery green in the middle of the lid. Add the silver color for highlight in the inner corner. Then a light cream color just right under the brow bone. Pencil eyeliner is applied all over the bottom and then the top. Tap black shadow on the eyeliner to make it set, last all day, and it also smokes it out a little bit. Smoke out that bottom eyeshadow even more by applying that dark green shimmery color on the outer edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some black smokiness to the top eyeliner and the outer corners of the top eyelid. The light is bright, the light is mine, I'm beaming light, showing me the way. Smudge out the corners with black eyeshadow to get that corner smoky eye effect. Hold you, use a small blending brush to fuse those corner colors together. Use a tapping motion to prevent color fallout. Okay, let's wing out that liner. Draw a line from the outer point and bring it into the top of your eye. I have big eyes, so I like to line from the inner corner of my eye. So now that my eye makeup is done, I'm gonna add highlighting powder to my under eyes and other areas that I wanna brighten. I love a beautiful, healthy glow, and this shimmer powder is perfect for this look. When I'm not wearing lashes, this is my go-to mascara. I'm applying a beautiful warm nude lip liner to the outer edges of my lips, and then I'll fill it in as well. A light nutmeg nude brown will complete the look. Spritz on setting spray to freshen your face and to make your makeup last all day. And that's my finished look. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and follow my Instagram for more inspo.